All you need is one tea bag and you will never see mice or spiders in your house again. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy. With just one tea bag, you can get rid of mice and spiders in your home. How to get rid of mice permanently in all natural way. How to get rid of mice and spiders. Almost in every house, spider and mice infestation are very common. People try a different types of methods to get rid of mice. Most of the time, people use pesticides or insecticides. In their houses to get rid of mice and spiders. These insecticides are loaded with harmful chemicals which can be dangerous to the environment and human health. In today's video, we will discuss about an easy way to get rid of this infestation for good in all natural way. This trick is completely safe, inexpensive and hygienic. You need only peppermint tea bag for this trick. Leave some used peppermint tea bag in your house, particularly the area of infestation. The smell of peppermint will help you to repel the mice and spiders. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.